The All the Right Type Teacher application has a maintenance building. This is where you can add classes, view student records, as well as modify or edit students' lessons. First thing is enter in your password. Next, click on Student Records, and we're going to add a class. Grade 3. The next step, if you have a list of your students' names prepared in a text file, you can click on Import Student Name button, browse to where you have that file created, click Open, and the students' names automatically import in. You can also add them one by one, and I'll show you how to do that a little later. You can choose which drill files the students will be presented by clicking on the Drill File button. Standard lessons are the default, which are 84 lessons. You also have a choice of fun facts, pre and post tests, and keyboard lessons. Lesson error threshold is set at 10%. That means your students need to achieve 90% accuracy for the program to prompt them to the next lesson. Penalty 1 means for every error, 1 word is taken off. Lesson error event, you have a choice of beep or caption flash. Keyboard style. In the practice building, you have a choice of students having the lessons presented in standard mode or game mode. The lessons are exactly the same, it's just the format in which they're presented to the students. Also, in the testing building, you have a choice of speed goal or timed writings. If you choose timed writings, you can set the program for 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, 4, or 5 minute tests. And lastly, spaces after period, if you'd like 1 space after period or 2. And you can create a message for the students when they first log on. Along the side are other attributes if you'd like the program to automatically word wrap like a word processor. Backspace key, many teachers like to have this checked off so students cannot backspace and make corrections. They want them to focus on accuracy and just progress ahead. Display lines. Use WHAM. The program defaults as words per minute instead of words a minute. Sequencing is very important. If sequencing is X'd off, that means the students will be forced to follow the learning pattern that's designed by our keyboarding specialists. If this does not have an X, that means students will be able to go anywhere in the program they'd like and not follow the learning pattern. If you'd like your students to be password protected, you would also put an X in here, and when they log on, they'll be prompted to enter in their password. Once you've set up the class, click Save, and you're ready to go.